Hi there! By popular demand, and by that I mean exactly one person asked for this video, I'm going to tell you how to get the best out of Siri, some of the basics and then some of the not so basics, and hopefully teach you something that you didn't already know. I guess the moral of the story is if you have a iPhone, then you have a personal assistant. The first thing you'll want to do if you are not so Siri savvy is open up your settings, so the little cog icon, and then scroll down to, it's kind of in the third bundle, Siri and search settings, and just have a look at how it's set up. Make sure that that's kind of fit to how you want to use it. If you want to be able to push the side button to turn it on, that might be something that you check. You might want to change the voice, the language, whether you want it to be listening for Hey Siri at all times, whether you want it on at all. All of those things are worth kind of digging into based on your personal preferences before you get going. And you'll probably find that over time you'll want to adjust things and figure out how you use it and when you use it. But get your settings sorted and then let's move on. The basics are the things that I think most people know how to use, or they're kind of the first things that the most obvious things, features it can do. So that's like making a call, sending a text message, sending an email, setting a timer, canceling that timer, opening an app, adding something to your calendar, maybe doing a translation. But I thought it would be fun to run through some of my kind of go-tos, or the ones I use the most. I honestly do use some kind of Siri command almost daily. I think the only caveat for me is that in our home we have a Google Nest hub in the kitchen, so there are some things that I actually use an OK Google command because it's connected to the Nest hub in the kitchen, but it does a very similar thing and probably quite useful if you're a Google person and not an iPhone person, that the Google Assistant can do many of these tricks. So here we go. Hey Siri, when is it going to rain?
It might rain in the afternoon starting at 1 p.m.
Hey Siri, remind me to call my mum when I get home.
Okay, your reminder is set.
That one relies on having a home address set up, which is something you'll have to edit in your contact settings. Maybe Google on how to do that. But once you have a home location and a work location, for example, you can say, remind me to do this thing when I get to that place, which is quite handy. You might also want a time-based reminder. So, hey Siri, remind me to write a poem tomorrow.
Okay, your reminder is set for tomorrow.
Hey Siri, how long will it take to drive from here to the Melbourne airport?
Traffic to Melbourne Airport is moderate, so it should take 22 minutes via Tullamarine Freeway.
Hey Siri, translate 2 glasses of wine, please, in Spanish.
In Spanish, 2 glasses of wine, please, is dos copas de vino, por favor.
Hey Siri, convert 400 Fahrenheit to Celsius.
400 degrees Fahrenheit is 204.4 degrees Celsius.
Hey Siri, note that using your voice is easier than typing.
Okay, I created a note that using your voice is easier than typing.
Hey Siri, open Shazam.
You'll need to unlock your phone first.
Ooh, that's a trick if you don't have your phone unlocked. Some apps won't open. Hey Siri, play my cooking playlist for Susan in Spotify.
Cooking mix now playing on Spotify.
And so those are some of the ones that I use all the time. There are many others. I recommend just getting a feel for it because it can become second nature and then be a lot easier than having to pick the thing up and type. And then I guess bonus points if you do happen to be full Apple convert with the Apple Watch, it can then connect through to your phone so you can use the watch to run the Siri commands. It's so cool. I feel like this is living in the future and I love it. Hope this helps and look forward to seeing you next time. Also, We're still trying to get those 100 subscribers to our YouTube channel so that we can claim our name. If you got anything out of this, maybe you could pass it on to a friend, or have a look at the other videos, see if anything takes your fancy, and hit the old subscribe button. We're at 37 and I'm hoping to get to 100 this year. I don't know. We'll see. Thanks so much, and let me know what else you want me to share in the world of what does Jess do. Anything that makes your digital life a little closer to paradise is the vibe. Okay, bye.